Solving exponential equation. Today's question: 16 to the power x minus 5 times 5 to the power 2x minus 10 times 20 to the power x minus 2 equals to 1. We have to find out the value of x. So first, look, this one is a 16 and this one is a 20. So we can segregate this one. We can write 2 to the power 4 to the power x minus 5 times 5 to the power 2x minus 10 will be unchanged times this 20. We can write 4 times 5. 4 means 2 to the power 2 times 5 to the power x minus 2 equals to 0. We know a to the power b to the power c can be write a to the power b times c. This one we can write 2 to the power 4 times x minus 5 times 5 to the power 2x minus 10 times 2 to the power 2 times x minus 2 times 5 to the power x minus 2 equals to 1, right? Now 2 to the power, we can write here 4x minus 20 times here will be 5 to the power 2x minus 10, and this one, look, this one is a x minus 2, right? 5 to the power x minus 2. So the base are same. These base are same. This case we can write 2x minus, here is a 10 and plus x minus 2 times this one is a 2 to the power 2x minus 4 equals to 0. Now the base are same, so this case we can write 2 to the power 4x minus 20 plus 2x minus 4, and here is a 5 to the power 2x plus x, it means 3x minus 10 minus 10 minus 2, it means minus 12 equals to 1. Look, here we are following this rule. We have to write this one a to the power m times a to the power n can be write a to the power m plus n, right? So next one, here is a 2 to the power 4x plus 2x, it's a 6x minus 20 minus 4 minus 26 times 5 to the power 3x minus 12 equals to 1. Now here, from here we can take common something. What? So everything is all right. Look, it's not 26, it should be 24, right? Yep, I have a mistake. So we can take common here 2. So we will get 3x minus 12. Why we are doing this one? Let's discuss later. 5 to the power 3x minus 12 equals to 1. Now look, 2 square, it's a 4. So here is a 3x minus 12 times 5 to the power 3x minus 12 equals to 1. Now look, the power are same. In this case, look, a to the power n times b to the power n, the power are same. In multiplication we can write ab to the power n, right? So this case we can write like 4 times 5 to the power 3x minus 12 equals to 1. Now this one is a 20 and power is 3x minus 12. So we have to make similar base, so 1 can be write 2 to the power 0, right? Now here can be write 3x minus 12 equals to 0. Why? Because the base are same. Once the base are same, it's a 20, right? We should write here is a 20, not 2 to the power 0, 20 to the power 0, because a to the power 0 equals to 1. So the result is 3x minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, then we know a to the power n equals to b to the power n m. So once a to the power n and b to the power n once power are same, the base equal, a2 equals to b. Same thing, once it will be once a to the power m equals to b to the power m. This case we can write, suppose the base are equal, it means we can write this one n and this one is a to the power m equals to a to the power n. The base are equal, that means m equals to n. So you have to write this kinds of side note once you complete your math. Anyway, here is a 3x minus 12 because base are same, 20 and 20. So power will be equal, which is 3x minus 12 equals to 0. So 3x equals to 12. Now we can divide both sides by 3. So x equals to 12 by 3. The answer is 4. So x equals to 4. This is our required answer. So it's a very important math. You have to finish very short time. If you face this kinds of math, the mark will be 3 or 4. And once you finish, you will get highest mark. So anyway, no more today. Thank you very much for being with me. This channel are trying to solve these kinds of math almost every day. So please stay with me. Thank you.